trapping and rapping. Trapping and rapping. I'm trapping and rapping. Trapping and rapping. I'm trapping and rapping. Trapping and rapping. I'm trapping and rapping. Yeah, you know I'm on the top, bitch. Tits out straight topless. In the stool straight pop, bitch. Count guap, yes, a lot, bitch. And I'm like, tits out straight topless. In the stool straight pop, bitch. Count guap, yes, a lot, bitch.
You know the man, what's the name? No rubber, about to fuck the game. Blowing trees like a hot nigga.
That's to be a better man. The weapon in my hand can easy get forever in the can. Yeah, life, Eddie and Martin, forever in the can. Yeah, I'm paralyzed from waist down. I never talk to bro. Stay official, but a player. I don't referee the game. On the stove, coke and bake. The recipe will never change. Yeah, platinum wrist, every cook up, it be stretching out the same. Yeah, with a couple foreigns up, had me flexing in the lane. Yeah, like vroom, on my Mozzie shit, kill parking lots on my homie shit. Yeah, trying to find me shit. I'm vacating in another country with my body shit. My ride or die, what Locks was looking for, late 90s shit. Came a long way from being chained up, shackled on the bus to different jails, but the same stuff. CEOs frontin', inmates frontin', people there you can't trust. Getting no puss, but by the system getting brain fucked. Came home different, came home on the mission. I was shitting, got a lot of hate, but made them all sniffing. It was everywhere, and small towns was heavy there with it. Opportunity came, and I was ready. Can't miss it, I'm just doing me. These bad bitches, they pursuing me. It's one, they talk to me, bro. You wish you could be. They training out this using me. None gold digging using me. Just rock the mic real good for some music free. I'm an 80s baby. This that real crack flow. You know how shit was back then. With the crack flow, that up north, behind the wall, spitting in the max flow. Who fucking with them? I got that. Let's put up some racks flow. We run, bring it back flow. Down south trap flow. New York swag flow. I spit it, make a mad flow. I'm going in like this my motherfucking last flow. I'm going Midwest. Thug, super fast flow. A West Side, real gang banging. Red flag flow. You cooling over here. Don't make me get on my ski mask flow. Pussy ass niggas coming through this lane. You a rookie ass nigga. You ain't in my class, nigga. You a fucking ass nigga. You better ass nigga. How my nigga bankroll. Be quick to blast niggas, he be quick to smash niggas. Yeah, we on our straight rider shit. Niggas know we in the booth spitting that fire shit. Whoa, we out of here. Niggas know. Let me stop playing with these niggas. Fuck is these niggas talking about? It's the wild black man.
It's that what, yo, Mo. Yeah, put that on the intro, bro. Fuck is you talking about? Young Guapo.
Young Guapo, I had to get crazy real quick.
You ain't crazy.
Yeah, that's something for niggas.
Little ass A, where little ass A at? Lloyd.